SEO can sound like a secret language. You hear people say stuff like H2s, meta descriptions, DA, or even CTR, and you're like, what are they even talking about? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to explain the most common SEO terms in plain and simple English so that you can finally understand what they mean and how they fit into SEO. Let's start with the basics. Keywords. Keywords are the exact words people type into Google, like best running shoes. If your page shows that keyword properly, Google can show your site for that search. Meta description. It is that little text under your page title in Google search results. It's like your own mini pitch to get people to click to your site. Now, H1, H2, H3. These are just headings and subheadings. H1 is your main title, H2 are section titles, and H3s are smaller points under your H2s. They make your page clear for both people and search engines. Backlinks. This is when another site links to yours. Google sees this as a recommendation, and the more quality backlinks you have, the more authority your site gets. Next, alt text. This is a description you add to your images. Search engines can't see pictures. Search engines, for example, Google, they can't see pictures. So alt text explains what the picture is about. Now let's add some slightly more advanced terms. SERP. SERP. This stands for Search Engine Results Page. That's just the page you see after typing something into Google. Domain authority, also known as DA. This is a score from 1 to 100 that shows how strong your website is compared to others. Higher DA usually means better chances to rank. CTR, click-through rate. This is the percentage of people who see your site on search engines and actually click it. A good title and description can always boost your click-through rate. Bounce rate. This tells how many people land on your site and then quickly leave without exploring anything further. A high bounce rate means your page didn't give them what they were looking for. Then lastly, organic traffic. This is the free traffic you get from search engines. No ads, no paid promotions, just people finding you naturally through Google. So these are SEO terms you hear most, from keywords and meta description all the way to bounce rates and CTR. Once you understand this, reading and hearing about SEO won't feel confusing anymore. And hey, if there's any SEO term I didn't cover, just drop them in the comments below and I'll explain it as soon as I can. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos where I explain SEO step by step. Thank you. Bye.